Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your messages on Pinterest. Now you cannot delete them, but you can basically hide them. Let me show you how to hide them. So for that you need to click on the message icon at the bottom right. It's right beside your profile picture. From over here you want to click on messages tab at the top. From here you can see the message over here. So I have talked with one of my friend. So if I want to delete or if I want to hide him, I need to click on the three dot at the top right of the message and click on hide thread. Once I click on hide thread, it is asking me am I sure. So I am sure I want to hide this message. I need to click on it, and as you guys can see, the message has been hidden. Now it only shows me my friend's contact over here. So if I want to see his message again, I can click on his name and the message is going to be shown to me again. So that is basically how we guys can delete message on Pinterest. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. Now by hiding your message, you kind of have deleted your message because no one will be able to see it. But that's the only option we currently have in Pinterest, which is close to deleting, okay? So that's it.